3 ultra-bright horizontal 0.019-inch medium fiber optic pins for ultimate visibility. Reversible mount designed for use with left and right-hand bows and high or low anchor points. Properly aligned shots with the precision installed bubble level. Green head accent for quicker site acquisition. Multiple mounting holes for added customizability. Top reviews from the United States. Good, basic site for trad bow. Exactly as advertised. I have it on a 55 #recurve bow and find my groupings are much more consistent than without it, allowing me to increase my effective range by about 15 meters. The pins definitely help me gauge arrow drop at the further limits of my range. Easy to mount. Have had no issues with craftsmanship or durability.